Hello, welcome, and good afternoon to all my viewers and watchers. I'm your host and friend RJ Mirikla. You're watching me on my YouTube page RJ Mir. I would like you to subscribe and like my channel and share this video if you might like it. Today, the topic we are discussing about is the Pakistani squad, which they have announced against the tour of England. A 29-player squad has been announced. It looks a balanced team, a set of players, both talented young players and some experienced older players have been included. And it has been mostly drawn from the players which have done extremely well in the past, which have been in the past with the Pakistan team, and some have been included which have done well in domestic cricket and in the recently concluded PSL. And I have some questions and queries about some players and which I would have liked to be in the team, and some players which I think should have not been in the squad. But after all, it is not possible for everyone to be in the squad to make it to the team, because it is at the end on the 11 players which make it to the final 11. But being in the team, being with the squad is a learning experience, a learning curve with some young talented players. You need to learn a lot. First of all, I will talk about two players which have personally chosen not to go with the team. That is Haris Sohail, the most talented cricketer, class batsman. He's got every talent, but his talent has been wasted. He's himself responsible, and the board is equally responsible, because board have never handled Pakistan board such sensitive players, which are like an asset for them, which can serve the Pakistan cricket for long and can benefit their country, but Pakistan are not handled it. And this time the reason for him is out is that he is not going to England because of his personal reason, that he is probably worried about coronavirus, where mental toughness, there is where counselling needs for Pakistani players. You can't waste a player like Haris Sohail, who has done well, exceptionally interested. He has a lot of talent, which I think after Shah Malik and Hafiz, because they are in the last legs of their career, he is a solid technical middle order batsman. So you are losing him. It's unfortunate. He has cut him short his career. Then there is Mohammad Amir. Probably his own choice, his family matter. We can't blame on them. He has done a good decision. We have to respect his decision, that he has concerns about his family. That is his own decision. But I don't think he should be considered for Test interview, because they have him themselves made he and Wahab Riaz have chosen not to play Test cricket. Why you bring them back and back? And one question selection mark was on Wahab Riaz. He was my favorite player, especially I was the one with other players who I loved it for him in the World Cup, and he was brought in the World Cup because of his sheer pace, aggression, talented. But if a player none in 2 or 3 series shows medal, that's where Pakistan wastes some players. And there is Ahmad Bhatt, an exceptional all-rounder, Amir Yaman, who should have made that squad because of their performance. They have been not given enough chances. There's Usman Qadir, there is Zafar Gauhar. These players should have been there. And Junaid Khan, probably one of the best bowlers. When Pakistan was in lake of bowlers, when Wahab Riaz was not playing, he was not fit, when Amir and Asif were banned, when there was no Shaheen Shah Apradi, when there was no Usman Shinwari, when there was no Abbas, at that time Pakistan got the services of Junaid Khan. I don't think why he is not even considered. He has an exceptional tape record. He is exceptional. He has done well against India. He has done well in the past. He has every ability. But I don't think why is he ignored. Maybe he is not liked by players and talents. There comes a question mark on why Junaid Khan is ignored again and again, despite his best performance in the past, despite serving Pakistan cricket. These are some issues. Hope this team, after all, this team is good, and we hope they will do good and they will avail this opportunity and they will come with flying colors. And I'm requesting those who do not make this card, work hard, keep working hard, chance will come. Thank you.